everybody, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. So before I start today, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. As of late, my channel is beginning to grow again, and it's all because of all the support, the the shares, the comments that you guys have been giving on my recent videos, and I just want to say thank you so much for that. And for those of you who are newer to the channel, welcome aboard. I appreciate your support, and let's get going with the video today. So I want to do a video today to record one of my first 0 to 60 runs. You know, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, how my car is running at the moment, how I'm able to drive it at the moment, and you know, just kind of get a baseline 0 to 60 out there, so when I do start to do my performance mods, I can kind of compare, you know, today's 0 to 60 versus the future 0 to 60s. And unfortunately, my current Challenger does not come with performance pages, and the only timer that I do have on my car is the 0 to 60 timer. So I will have to use that as my baseline until maybe I get a Taser, where hopefully I can get some additional EVIC timers. So until that day, I will be using 0 to 60 as my comparisons as I do modifications to the vehicle. So I went out and I've done 2 0 to 60 runs prior to the run that I recorded today. I did 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds, and then I did another one in 6.2 seconds. And I'm chalking that up mostly to driver inexperience as well as higher DAs. It's been raining a ton here, very high humidity, very low air pressure. So the air hasn't been dense, the car hasn't been driving great. So I'm chalking it up mostly to that. So this morning I woke up to some really nice air. So I just wanted to go out and do a 0 to 60 run, and you know, just see how much, you know, things have improved since. So let's tune in to my 0 to 60 run right now. All right, guys, first 0 to 60. Alright guys, so here's the results to that 0 to 60 run that you just saw. So as you can see there, guys, I pulled a 5.5, and I'm really happy with that, because I know that there's room for improvement. There's always room for improvement with shifting a manual, and there's also room for improvement with just launching your vehicle. I mean, as you can see in that video, I barely spun the wheels, and that was mainly on design because I didn't want to lose time spinning the wheels. So I kind of eased off the clutch so I can get rolling before I really punched it. And maybe that's the best way to go, but it did feel like I could give it a little bit more gas, or ease off of the clutch a little bit quicker and get more power to the wheels. So with the stock 245s playing into it too, I'm really happy with the 5.5, because, you know, as you guys know, these tires are horrific. So I just wanted to show you guys what the baseline 0 to 60 is for my car. I mean, granted, I know I can probably gain a couple tenths or two, maybe with the start. Maybe I can start shifting a little bit quicker too. But overall, I was very pleased with the 5.5 that I got, considering, you know, I've only had my car for a month. I imagine after a little bit longer, I'll start to maybe get a little bit, you know, more horsepower, more performance out of the car as it really breaks in. So, you know, I'm pretty pleased with that 5.5. I mean, especially considering that I had to shift it myself, and, you know, I've launched the car all of maybe 5 or 10 times total so far. So, so I'm very happy with that. So, I hope you guys liked the video. You know, it's been a while since I've been on camera, and you know, I hope to split it up quite a bit between, you know, actually putting mods on versus actually talking to you guys in the camera like I am today. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate your support. like I said before, channel's starting to grow again, and I couldn't be happier. So thanks again, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.
All right, guys, first 0 to 60.